Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a lip swatch and review video on the new Give Me More Lip by Sephora. So this is my absolute favorite holiday set that normally comes out every single year. So it's $68, but it retails for $212. You get 5 different full-size lipsticks, which is even more than what the price tag is. So yeah, we are going to be going through all of these. I'm going to be swatching every single one of my lips so you can see how they look. And I'm very, very excited. A lot of these shades look really pretty. I like that there's lots of nudes. And there's some other like bolder shades. So anyways, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. I would love if you stayed around and subscribe to my channel down below. Also make sure you hit that bell notification so you are notified for future videos. We post 3 days a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and mail hauls every single Monday. And I have a ton of holiday collection reviews coming up soon. But I'm very excited to dive in and get into these lip swatches. So let's get started. Okay guys, so that is going to complete all of the swatches for the Sephora Give Me More Lips, the holiday set. Let me zoom y'all out just a little bit. Much better. So overall, here's what I'll say about this set. This is a set that normally is one of my favorite sets for the holidays because I think it is such a good value, and I still think it's a good value. As far as the pros for the set goes, you get 1, 2, 3, 4... You get 5 different lipsticks. It is much more than the $68 price tag. I believe the Charlotte Tilbury alone is around $30 if I'm not mistaken. It might even be $35. So that is a huge pro because it is a very good value. And if you're somebody that maybe is more comfortable with like lighter shades, but you kind of want to go out of the box, it's also a good value because for the most part, most of the full size ones besides the Smashbox are very like neutral toned. They aren't anything too crazy. This one's like a more pinky shade, but it would be a good lip topper for something more neutral. But you do get a lot of variety. I do like that it does have a lot of like everyday shades. Great value, everyday shades. I like the formula of most of the lipsticks. As far as the cons go, this one is not my favorite one by any means. And the reason why is because I felt like it had a lot more like lip glosses or like stickier lipsticks that I'm used to. Like for instance, the Hi-Fi Shine is okay, but it was a little bit more sticky than what I like. Same for the Huda Beauty. I wish that they would stick to maybe like one that's a complete full like liquid lipstick set or regular lipsticks, and then maybe do a Give Me More lip gloss set. Like that would be really cool. But nonetheless, that's just my personal opinion because I do have a bunch of glosses already, and for me, I just wish this was more like lipstick so I could try out different brands and different shades. I love that it's pretty much all high-end brands. Again, that is a pro. Sorry, I kind of switched back and forth, but yeah, overall, it's not my favorite one, but I love all the shades that they chose. I can get over some of the formulas. I don't think I'll wear as much as others, but for the $68 price tag, 100% is definitely worth the money. Another thing I really wish they would do, which I think would be cool, is give us samples of all of these, right? And then whatever the value is of the full-size shades, maybe we could pick out like 3 full-size shades. You know, kind of like they do with the perfume set. I think that would be really cool. Just an idea, just putting that out there. But yeah, overall, a really great set, 68 bucks. This would be a great gift to give somebody, a great gift to give yourself, and I would recommend checking it out. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. You guys know how much I love lip swatch videos, so if you enjoyed it, please make sure to thumbs this video up. Leave a comment down below what your favorite shade was, and as always, I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.